Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. When someone offers you tea but you don't want, no, thank you, I just had tea. No, thank you, I just had tea. If your friend asks how you are, I'm doing good. How about you? I'm doing good. How about you? When you reach office late, sorry, I got stuck in traffic. Sorry, I got stuck in traffic. If someone asks about your weekend plan, I'm planning to stay at home and rest. I'm planning to stay at home and rest. When you are waiting for someone, I have been waiting here for 10 minutes. I have been waiting here for 10 minutes. If you want to ask someone to speak louder, could you please speak a little louder? Could you please speak a little louder? When someone praises your work, thank you. That means a lot. Thank you. That means a lot. If you want to leave early from office, I will be leaving a bit early today. I will be leaving a bit early today. When you forget someone's name, sorry, I didn't catch your name. Sorry, I didn't catch your name. If you want to confirm tomorrow's meeting, the meeting is at 11 a.m. tomorrow, right? The meeting is at 11 a.m. tomorrow, right? When someone gives you directions, got it. Thank you for the directions. Got it. Thank you for the directions. If you want to ask your colleague for help, can you help me with this file? Can you help me with this file? When you are feeling tired, I really need a short break. I really need a short break. If someone asks if you are free today evening, sorry, I already have a plans. Sorry, I already have a plans. When you buy something at a shop, could you please pack this for me? Could you please pack this for me? If you want to ask the price, how much does this cost? How much does this cost? When you receiving a wrong delivery, excuse me, this is not what I ordered. Excuse me, this is not what I ordered. If someone asks if you are hungry, yes, I'm starving. Yes, I'm starving. When your friend thanks you, you are welcome anytime. You are welcome anytime. If you are saying goodbye to a group, bye everyone, see you tomorrow. Bye everyone, see you tomorrow. Great job, friends. Now this is your homework time. Please put the answers comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.